Welcome to the video course to learn how to become a web video producer or a web video publisher. This is the right decision that you make if you really want to start to do a business in this field, in this market, because today it is very important to have videos in any kind of form if you have a business on the internet, or if you want to make business with online businesses. To understand the importance of videos, just imagine a website, and if on a website you have a video in the sales page, this will increase of 2 or 3 times the conversion rate. That means that you can make 2 or 3 times more money than if you don't have a video. Videos can make more money if are uploaded to social networks like YouTube, Vimeo, Dailymotion, and other video directories on the internet. The important is that these websites are ranked good by the main search engines like Google, Yahoo, Bing, and others. And of course, with that you will get also a lot of more traffic on your website if in these videos you set reference to your website. And how you do this? Just in the video descriptions in these social media networks. In fact, people are looking for information on the internet using keywords, and of course keywords are the food for the search engines, and you will be found, and your videos will be found, and your web pages will be found if there are the right keywords next to the right videos. Moreover, with videos you can create amazing video tutorials in your website or in other e-learning platforms. Or you can create video courses to sell as DVDs or CDs. People are crazy for this kind of products today. The fact is, the people like to watch TV rather than reading magazines and newspapers. We know that everyone wants to watch videos rather than reading. You will learn what marketing videos are, and basically you will understand that you can create sales page videos with marketing videos, and you can create video testimonials, teasing videos, thank you page videos, instructional videos. I will show you how you can craft all the videos and the processes around them. You will see also what exactly videos are. And basically we are talking about video tutorials, video products, e-learning platforms, podcasting, and webinars. In this course you will learn also which tools you need to use to create your videos, and how you capture your videos, how you record your videos, how you can capture your videos on your computer. I will tell you everything. You will understand then how to edit your videos. Once you capture your videos, you have your video files, then you should do some editing, and I will show you how to do this. I will show you also how to produce videos, how to put them on your computer, how to generate video files and have them available on the internet, and how to upload your videos onto social community websites, like I said to you before, YouTube, Facebook, Vimeo, and etc. I will show you how you can create your videos for your sales messages, how you can convince people to buy from you or from your customers. I will show you how you can create a video player, how you can show your video on a web page, customizing the look and feel, the layout, how to show the videos on overlays, how to show videos on a page, etc. I will show you where you can host your videos for better distribution. You will see also which equipment you need to have in order to record the videos and in order to record your audio and to edit your videos. We'll show you which video products you can create. You will be amazed by the amount of markets and amount of products that you can create on the internet. I will show you where you can find royalty-free content or content that is free or is royalty-free. So that means that you will have your content without worrying about infringing copyrights. I will show you how you can show your videos wherever you want to market the products. Your videos will be wherever you want when you're promoting something. And then I will show you how to use your videos to increase traffic to your website or to where your products are. I will show you how you can include call to action while a video is played on your website or another website. While your video is played, there will be moments when you want to show some messages, you want to show some special offers, you want to show some buy now buttons. I will show you how to do this. And then I will show you how you can find and set the audio and video parameters for your media files.